To solve this amazing equation, go by the PEMDAS rule. So start with the parenthesis 10 plus 10, 20. Now there is no exponent, so go for multiplication. That means 10 into 20. Next is division. And finally, solve for subtraction. Take LCM 20, 1 minus 200. But the final answer you get here is incorrect, because in this step we made a major blunder. Remember, while using PEMDAS, multiplication and division have same priority. So when both are given, solve the equation from left to right. Whichever comes first, solve it. So 10 division 10, 1. 1 into 20, 20. And 20 minus 10 gives the final answer 10.